Hello, it's me, Construction Carol, out of retirement to help Gardening Gabbie with some raised garden beds that she would like built. We're going to be doing this in a few different phases. Phase 1, we have a few garden beds. I think there's 4 of them that we're going to start with. Phase 2 is a garden shed, which should be coming up quickly. Phase 3 doesn't look like we'll start until spring, but we'll be having a couple more raised garden beds coming in. Right now, that's all we have for the foreseeable future. We'll see if we add more projects in there or not, but let's get going. Funding is provided in part by the Institute of Museum and Library Services through the Library of Michigan.